The Chinese giant salamander is one of the largest salamanders and one of the largest amphibians in the world. On farms in central China, it is extensively farmed. The Chinese giant salamander is a flagship species for China's freshwater. They are considered to be a luxury food item and source of traditional medicines in China. Its color is typically dark brown, with a mottled or speckled pattern, but it can also be other brownish tones, dark reddish, or black. The average adult salamander weighs 25 to 30 kilograms and is 1.15 meters in length. It can reach up to 50 kilograms weight and 1.8 meters in length. The Chinese giant salamander is entirely aquatic and typically lives in dark, muddy, or rocky crevices. It has very poor eyesight, so they detect prey by sensing their vibrations in the water. Both sexes maintain a territory averaging 40 cubic meters for males and 30 cubic meters for females. Chinese giant salamanders prefer to live in water depths ranging from 0.5 to 2 meters. Their diet typically consists of various aquatic invertebrates, small fish, and amphibians. Farmers may also supplement their diet with commercially available feeds to ensure they receive all essential nutrients. The salamanders reside primarily in very cold underwater cavities. Most Chinese giant salamanders stop feeding at water temperatures above 20 degrees Celsius, and feeding ceases almost entirely at 28 degrees Celsius. Temperatures of 35 degrees Celsius are lethal to Chinese giant salamanders. Chinese giant salamanders are bred in large numbers in Chinese farms. The breeding season is July to September, when the water temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. The female lays 400 to 500 eggs in an underwater breeding cavity, which is guarded by the male until the eggs hatch after 50 to 60 days. Larvae develop in the streams, taking food after about a month. When hatching, the larvae are about 3 centimeters long, and external gills remain until a length of about 20 centimeters at an age of 3 years. The external gills start to slowly decrease in size around 9 to 16 months. Maturity is reached at an age of 5 to 6 years and a length of 40 to 50 centimeters. The Chinese giant salamanders live up to 60 years in captivity. This creature lives underwater yet does not have gills. They absorb oxygen through their porous skin.